Hello, I'm Evelyn Brodie, and today I'm discussing the 6th chapter from A Better Pill. Do you think consciousness is held within the physical brain inside your head, or in some sort of field outside the brain? If it's outside the brain, do you believe in the emerging non-local field theories of consciousness? Philosophers have argued about the nature of consciousness for centuries, while scientists have traditionally ignored the topic. But in recent decades, consciousness has come back onto the scientific agenda, and it's being investigated within many scientific disciplines. In particular, physicists are collaborating with medical doctors to focus on whether the human brain, rather than being the source of consciousness, is actually just a transmitter to and receiver from an external and non-local field of consciousness. A number of theories are being put forward, suggesting mechanisms by which this could work, centering on how the super small in size but super large in number microtrabecular networks within our brains might act as the receivers and the transmitters, allowing us to access an external, omniscient and omnipresent consciousness, sometimes labelled the info realm. Other doctors are focusing on the experimental evidence that is accumulating from the study of near-death experiences, which suggests that people are capable of accessing a consciousness external to the physical body whilst having a total loss of heart and brain function. There's also preliminary evidence that it's mediated by the molecule dimethyltryptamine, which is produced within the pineal gland of the brain, as well as our non-coding DNA, which historically was labelled junk, but may turn out to be the most important part of our DNA structure. And of course, even if there is a non-local consciousness, if it's to be useful to us, we need to be able to access it at will. Historically, that was the realm of the shaman, someone who intentionally induces altered states of consciousness for the exploration of the human condition. It has not been regarded as the right of every human being. And in my next video, I'll talk about how every single one of us can intentionally engage with this external consciousness and the benefits that this can start to bring to us. If you've watched this, it would be great if you could join the discussion and the polls on the Facebook community.